Urban gardening is a fantastic way to become more self-sufficient, especially if you're living in a city with limited space. Whether you have a small balcony, a rooftop, or just a windowsill, you can grow your own fresh produce. First, start with quality soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Invest in a high-quality potting mix and consider adding compost to enrich the soil. Composting not only reduces waste, but also provides essential nutrients to your plants. Choosing the right containers is crucial. Opt for pots, buckets, or even old crates, ensuring they have adequate drainage. For those with minimal space, vertical gardening is a game changer. Use wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or stackable pots to maximize your growing area. Dense planting techniques allow you to grow more in less space. Focus on high-yield, space-efficient crops like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens. These vegetables are easy to grow and thrive in small containers. Herbs such as basil, mint, and parsley also make excellent additions to your urban garden. Watering is key to a successful garden. Urban environments can dry out plants quickly, so consistent watering is essential. Consider installing a drip irrigation system or self-watering pots to maintain moisture levels. Additionally, placing your plants where they receive adequate sunlight will ensure they grow strong and healthy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plants and techniques. Gardening is a learning process, and what works for one space might not work for another. Observe your plants, adjust as needed, and enjoy the process of nurturing your own urban garden. Gardening in small spaces can be incredibly rewarding and is a step towards greater self-reliance. By following these tips and being mindful of your environment, you can create a thriving urban garden, even in the smallest of spaces.